This protocol describes RNA sample preparation and NMR setup for proton-RNA row relaxation dispersion measurements to examine conformational exchange in RNA molecules. Since protons are probed, the method does not need isotopic labeling and can access structural features like shifted base pairing directly. The pipeline is quite modular in the sense that RNA row relaxation dispersion can be measured even if the sample is produced with a different method.
Begin by preparing the plasmid sample and setting up an in vitro transcription and cleavage reaction as described in the text manuscript. Incubate the reaction at 37 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. Then dilute 1 microliter of the sample tenfold in loading solution and run 1 microliter on a denaturing page gel. If the cleavage reaction is successful, scale the reaction to the desired volume and run it overnight. Then run another denaturing page gel and assess whether the cleavage reaction has been completed. In case of incomplete cleavage, heat the reaction solution in a conventional microwave at 450 watts for 15 seconds. Then, cool the solution slowly to 37 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes to reanneal the RNA and the cleavage guide, and note the formation of a new precipitate. Add more inorganic pyrophosphatase and RNase H. Incubate the reaction for 1 to 3 hours at 37 degrees Celsius.